See, what is input function and what is the use? See, input function means whenever the program is running, while the program is running, if you want to read input values from the user, input values from user, we are using input function. Suppose to perform addition operation. If you want to read two numbers, then first we ask like this, print, enter two numbers. Then they will start entering the numbers using the keyboard. The first number, whenever they enter, that will be collected by this input and stored into variable X. That second, whenever they are entering, we collect into Y. Then we are performing the addition operation. Suppose here, whenever we are taking the input, you can give the prompt directly here. Input, enter first number. No need to take that extra print statement here. Enter first number. Then they will give the input that we collect. Next again, input, enter second number. While taking the input, instantly if you want to give any prompt message, that is possible. Without passing any message also you can read. By giving the information also, we can read the input using input function.